He's standing at the window, locked inside his mind, not quite understanding what's going on outside. How the wind blows the leaves, or the washing on the line. Birds eating nuts and seeds he told his wife to buy. He never said goodbye, but the man she knew has gone. He doesn't know her name or recognize his son.